Bernat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to work a single crochet edging to make a nice clean finish on an item that's not a basic square. So let's get started. So today I'm using Bernat Super Value as my yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, and I'm working a single crochet edging along the edge of this motif here. And what you're going to see here is a row of single crochets. Your pattern may indicate exactly how many single crochets you need to work in between 2 points. Generally though, it's 1 single crochet in each stitch. Then the next thing that we need to think about is when we get to peaks and valleys like this. In a peak you want to do an increase, and in a valley you want to do a decrease. So let me show you how we do that. So I can see here that I still have 1 more single crochet to work. So I work just like I normally would a single crochet, and this is actually my corner stitch here, and I want to do an increase. So your pattern may tell you to put 2 single crochets in there or 3 single crochets, but just do whatever your pattern tells you. In this case, I am going to work 2 single crochets into the same place. So you can see that into that 1 stitch there, I have 2 single crochets. So now what I'm going to want to do is just work my single crochets, 1 in each stitch. Your pattern will tell you if it's something different. I want to go until I get to that second last stitch. So you want to still have 1 stitch left on this motif, and you want to be able to work into this next stitch here. So now we're going to work our decrease. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my hook into the first stitch, and I'm going to draw up a loop. I'm not going to complete my single crochet at this point because I want to put 2 single crochets together, and I'm going to want to put my hook into my next stitch and draw up a loop. And as you can see, I have 3 loops here on my hook. Now I want to have my yarn over my hook, and I want to draw through all 3 of those loops at once. And that's actually going to be a decrease and fit into that valley quite nicely. And working single crochets all along the edge until I get to my next peak. So that's all there is to it when you're working your peaks and valleys and your single crochet edging. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again at Bernat.com.